No, there are two things that I will explain in this video, and you need to pay good attention. This is a tutorial video on how to execute your trade, how to buy and how to sell. Do you understand? How to place your trade in MT5. As you can see, this is a quote. This is quote area. This is the area where you select the type of pair that you want. Let's say we want Ethereum. You select Ethereum. Can you see Ethereum? You tap on it. Immediately you tap on it, it has entered into the list of pairs that you can trade. Do you understand? You go back, you see Ethereum there. So this quote is where you get pairs that you trade, pairs that you want to trade, whether Euro USD, gold, BTC, etc. Do you get? Now the next area is chart. Now this is how this is an iPhone. So the way the MT5 of an iPhone looks is different from the way the MT5 of an Android phone looks, but they are similar. Both iPhone and Android have quotes, and in quotes is where you select the pair, the currency you want to trade. Under chart is where you execute your trade. You see your trade, whether it is going up or down, whether it is selling. That is where chart is. Now, under trade is where you see the trade that you have placed, whether it's the amount of money you are making, the profit you are making. Under trade is where you see it. You see your balance, you see your equity under trade. Now, under history is the previous trades that you have gone, and under settings is where you check your account to know if it is demo or real. Do you understand? And under setting is where you can enter another account. These are a list of accounts here. Do you understand? So now, this is phase one. Phase one have been covered, which is understanding MT5. I've explained to you quotes, I've explained to you charts, and I've explained to you trade. This is a tutorial on how to place trades, how to buy and sell in MT5. I'm going to be talking about how to set your stop loss in the market, how to change and modify your trade. So, as I was saying, we want to place our stop loss. As you can see, the easiest way to place your stop loss is to carry this horizontal line and target where you want to place your stop loss. Let's say now I want to put my stop loss here. What I do is, me that is giving you the signal, I will take my horizontal line here, or you that want to execute your trade personally, you take your horizontal line there, and what you do is you enter properties. It will take you to the property of the horizontal line, where you can now copy the point where the horizontal line is, because that is the reason why I placed the horizontal line there, to spot the point where I want to place my stop loss. That point where the horizontal line is what I will use for my stop loss. And as you can see, the point is written 3054.45 under Ethereum. Now, as a trader, what I do is, if I don't have my pen and paper, the next thing I do is to copy and paste. Do you understand? So I copy this number, this 30, select, then copy. I've copied it. The next thing I do is to go to the trade to modify it. Immediately you copy your stop loss, the next action is modification, whereby you copy your stop loss, or the trader or your mentor gives you a stop loss. Imagine I send a stop loss to the group saying your stop loss is 3054.45. What you do is you copy that number on your phone, you enter your MT5. Now, immediately you enter your MT5, what the area you move to next is the area of trades, as if you want to execute a trade. But no, you are not executing a trade. You are modifying the trade you initially entered, which is the trade here. This is the trade you initially entered. The next thing you do, you tap on it, and you enter modify position. You tap on modify position. It's as simple as ABC. Can you see what is happening here?